Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at something I know a lot of you will enjoy. In this video, we're checking out the MOUNTRAX Foot Massager and taking on a tour of all the features and the options that it brings. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Inside the box, we have the foot massager. I personally picked up the white version, but don't worry if white isn't your favorite color. We have two other options to choose from, gray and black. We have a power adapter, which is needed for obvious reasons. Then we have the user manual and a remote control that uses a CR2025 battery, which you can use to control the massager without having to move. The massager in terms of size is 12 inches by 15 inches and 7 inches in height. It's fairly light, so you shouldn't have any issues moving it around either. On the top, we have all the controls that we need to operate the massager. With the time button, selecting this option allows you to switch between 15 and 30-minute intervals for your foot massage. With the heat button, you either have it on or off. You won't have the ability to control the amount of heat that you prefer. So if it's on, it should reach about 122 Fahrenheit or 55 Celsius. In the center, we have the power button. The kneading button allows you to cycle through 3 different pressure levels for the rollers that are performing the actual massage. The intensity levels for this is low, medium, and high. And if you want to add some additional pressure around your foot during the massage, there's the air compression option, which also offers 3 different levels to choose from, low, medium, and high. With any of these options, you can fully turn them off. For example, if you just want to heat your feet, you can turn off the kneading. Only want the compression? You can do that too. Now, this wouldn't be a foot massager if we didn't have a spot to place our feet. The feet inserts are made of a soft elastic material and can easily be removed to be washed. To remove the inserts, just unzip the zipper and remove them from the Velcro pads. I've been using the massager for a few weeks now, and I personally find that it does a great job massaging my feet. Here are my observations. As someone with a shoe size of an 11.5 men's, my foot fits comfortably in the massager, and I believe it can accommodate foot sizes up to size 12. The massage pressure is generally good, and I prefer using it at the highest setting. However, I think it could apply a bit more pressure around the heel area, since even at the highest setting, it's not particularly strong there. Lastly, in terms of noise levels, it's relatively quiet, and you can use it at night without worrying about disturbing anyone's sleep. And there you have it, the MOUNTRAX Foot Massager. If you're interested in getting one for yourself or as a gift for occasions like Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas, I'll have all the links down in the description. So go check it out and treat your feet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.